All right, so let's make a set manually by specifically choosing the elements that we want to be part of the set. We're going to work with country region, and we're going to make a set describing the G7. So if we go here to country region and we say create set, so we've already done group, we've already done calculated field, we will in the future do parameter, but for right now let's just do set. And here notice we'll say G7. It's so nice. It's just a little checklist. And notice that here, you can't see it on Mac, and I don't know why. But if you go here, you can see this one's called general. We'll do condition, and we'll do top in other videos. So the G7 is Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, JK, Japan, United Kingdom, United States. Perfect. All right, and we're good to go. So that's it. We just hit OK. Notice I have a new variable here, a dimension called G7, and has this symbol, this Venn diagram symbol. And the Venn diagram symbol is the denote, how we denote sets. So if we do the same thing we did a moment ago, we go GDP to columns and CO2 emissions to rows, detail by country region. And again, or similarly to groups, if we drag G7 onto color, notice what we get, and again, my face is in the way. If we look at this, is kind of what I was saying earlier. So what we have here is blue is in the set, and gray is out of the set. And so you can see these blue dots here are the G7, and everyone else is gray. Again, if you're not a fan of the blue-gray color scheme, you can always edit the colors by, you just say, okay, I want this to be purple, and I want this one to be pink. And it's, whatever you want it to be, you can specify. But the point being that, I said that sets are more flexible than groups, and they are, but we've kind of induced a group here, haven't we? In the sense that we have a group where the two group members are G7 and in and G7 out. So it's not like, this is why distinguishing groups and hierarchies and sets is a little bit difficult, because they're so related. A group induces a hierarchy, and a set is a subflavor of group, but somehow it's more flexible at the same time. So keeping these things straight is kind of an important idea, or important to kind of practice. Well, when would I use a set? When would I use a group? When would I use a hierarchy? So we also need to specify not just general construction, but condition-based and top end, but more on that in a future video.